Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can take user input in Python. Plus icon, I will click here and I will go for the new file and let's name it user input.py Python extension. Here to take input, user input, you have to say input and then you need a prompt, okay, that let's say enter your name. All right, give a space, and now if I run it, you can see that enter your name, right? So I can actually say here, let's say Yamin, but it show nothing. Why? Because we haven't actually printed, right? And if we need to print it, we need to set it inside a variable. So we need a variable, right? So let's say I want to set the variable equal to name. Okay, I have to print it. So let's print it, the name, execute it, enter your name. So let's say Yamin, and here you can see the output is Yamin. So this is how actually you can take input. But what about integer input? Say here that age is equal to, I'm going to say, okay, input, I'm going to say enter your age, okay, enter your age. All right, so here I want to print the age, so print the age. If I run it, enter your name, let's say Yamin, enter your age, let's say 27 or 28, let's say, and here you can see 28. But let's say I want to add plus 1, okay, I mean it will be 29. So let's say here age is equal to age plus 1, if I say, and if I run it, here you can see the error, unexpected type and possible type. Okay, but let me just run it once again, and here at first I will say Yamin and age is, let's say, 28, and here you can see type error. So by default the type will be string. When you input something, it will be take as string, so you have to typecast it. In our previous video we already talked about typecasting, right? So what you have to do, you have to say that, okay, I need to typecast it, so I will say int, and then I have to say like this, and now you can do this. So now let's execute it and say Yamin, age is, let's say, 28, now it will be 29. Okay, so you have to typecast it. All right, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.